Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that cross token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Cross is a dedicated high performance layer 1 blockchain built specifically to power the next generation of Web3 games and their economics. Gaming first layer 1, an EVM compatible blockchain designed from the ground up to support on-chain games with modular tools and infrastructure. Integrated ecosystem provides a full suite for developers and players, including SDKs, a native wallets, a DEX and bridge for assets interoperability, fixed supply utility token. The cross token is used for network gas fees, staking and governance with a capped total supply of 1 billion tokens. Cross project institution rating is 4.6 and this project audited by Ceritic. Cross token total supply is 985.22 million and circulating supply is around 335.22 million cross token. After that, click on market section. Now here you can check this token is listed on Binance Alpha, BitGet, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.